So here I am in Whitehorse. It is August 29th, and we have a Alaskan to Mexico marathon. It's a European car club. They go all around the world and they do these 30-day rides across different countries. This year they're going from Alaska all the way down to Baja Peninsula in Mexico. Of course, they're all vintage rally cars. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. Not sure how many people they have in the event, but there's probably at least 25 cars here. They have mechanics and doctors on staff.